Unit 2. Let's recycle. Hi, Jane. Have you heard about the new laws to help people recycle?
I heard about them on the news last night. I don't think I like them.
The government wants to keep the environment clean by recycling paper, metal, and glass instead of throwing these things away.
But who wants to pay an extra 50 cents each time you buy a cup of coffee? That's a lot of money.
50 cents? It's only 5 cents extra for a paper cup.
I thought it was 50 cents.
No, it's only 5 cents. Don't worry, and you can get your money back when you return the cup.
That's fair. Well, maybe the government is right after all. I'll return all the paper coffee cups I use from now on.
Good. We all need to recycle. It helps to keep the environment clean.